Anyone who has had a legal address in Iceland for a minimum of 6 months has health insurance in Iceland. Children are insured along with their parents. Those who don't have health insurance still have rights to various services with substantial discounts or free of charge. Insured children have a right to physio, occupational, and language therapy with substantial discounts, as well as psychological assistance. It is important to remember that before you can receive any additional treatment, you must first get a referral from your family doctor. All children with health insurance also have a right to dental services free of charge, although you will need to register with a family dentist who will take care of your dental needs. All children should be afforded the same opportunities. If you need additional information, contact us at Throskahjálp. Our number is 588-9390, or feel free to send an email to throskahjálp@throskahjálp.is.